Hi guys, in this video we talk about Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus versus Vivo S18. The Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus launched on January 2024 with the price tag of $300. The Vivo S18 Pro launched on December 2023 with the price tag of $400. The body dimensions: the Redmi Note 13 Plus height 6.35 inches, width 2.92 inches, thickness 8.9 mm. The Vivo S18 dimensions: height 6.47 inches, width 2.96 inches, thickness 7.5 mm. The weight of these devices: Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus comes with 199 gram and the Vivo S18 Pro comes with 185 gram. The build: the Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus comes with front and back glass and aluminium frame. Vivo S18 comes with front and back glass and plastic frame, and both mobile come with dual SIM nano SIM card supported. The display type: the Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus comes with AMOLED 16:8 billion color and the Vivo S18 comes with AMOLED 1 billion color. The size of these devices is 6.67 inches. Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus screen size and the Vivo S18 come with 6.78 inches. The board device comes with 1.5K screen resolution and the PPI dynasty. Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus comes with 446 PPI dynasty and the Vivo S18 comes with 453 PPI dynasty. The both mobile come with 120Hz refresh rate and the Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus comes with 89.7% screen to body ratio and the Vivo S18 89.9% screen to body ratio. The Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus comes with Gorilla Glass filters and Vivo S18 comes with Gorilla Glass protection, and the Vivo S18 comes with 2800 nits peak of brightness and the Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus comes with 1800 nits peak of brightness. Let's go to the camera setup. The Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus comes with triple camera setup. The main sensor 200 megapixel wide, 8 megapixel ultra wide and 2 megapixel micro, and it's record 4K 30fps video. And the Vivo S18 comes with dual camera setup, main sensor 50 megapixel wide and 8 megapixel ultra wide, and it's record 4K 30fps video. And the front camera of these devices: the Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus comes with 16 megapixel front camera and it's record 1080p 60fps video. And the Vivo S18 comes with 50 megapixel front camera and it's record 1080p 30fps video record. The platform of these devices: the Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus comes with octa-core CPU with Cortex A715 and the Vivo S18 comes with octa-core CPU with Cortex A715. And the chipset: the Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus comes with MediaTek 7200 nit and 4nm chipset. The Vivo S18 comes with Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 4nm chipset. And the GPU: the Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus comes with Motorola G610 and the Vivo S18 comes with Adreno 720. And the Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus comes with Android 14 MIUI 14 operating system. The Vivo S18 comes with Android 14 Origin OS 4. The memory of these devices: the Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus comes with 8GB, 12GB and 16GB of RAM, and the same Vivo S18 8GB, 12GB and 16GB of RAM. The internal storage is same 256GB and 512GB. No SD card support in both mobiles. Let's talk about the battery. The Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus comes with 5000 mAh battery and the same Vivo S18 comes with 5000 mAh battery. The fast charging: Vivo S18 supported 80W fast charging and the Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus comes with 120W fast charging. No wireless charging in both mobile and it's come with 5G network support. The commons and the feature is same, but the Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus supported IP68 rating and the Vivo S18 supported IP54 rating. And the result of these devices: the Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus got 21 points and the Vivo S18 got 22 points.